Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses, the foundation of Yoga Asana with Yoga with Andrea today. And in this tutorial we're going to be practicing Utkatasana, or fierce pose as it is also referred. So we're going to start in mountain pose or Tadasana with the feet together. And then as we're ready we're going to exhale as we bend our knees and move the feet gently hip width apart. Move the hips back as if you were sitting down on a chair, drawing your lower abdomen in and up to support your lower back. Send your hips back rather than your knees forward so that you can still see your toes. Inhale as you raise your arms up around your ears and soften around your neck and shoulders. Keep reaching higher with the palms facing while sitting lower for 5 to 10 breaths. To come back into Tadasana, exhale as you press and stretch your feet down, stretching through the heels to straighten your legs, and then lower your arms down to your side. For alignment cues here, think about squeezing your thighs together as if they are one to make them stronger. You can use a block or a rolled up towel to practice this. Imagine you are squeezing a prop between the thighs, but at the same time trying to shoot it out behind you as you internally rotate the thighs. You can bring your feet a little wider apart also to make your base a little more stable if you need to. Pressing firmly through the feet to create more lift in the upper body keeps the weight evenly distributed between the heels and the balls of the feet. Practice the action in the legs first, perhaps with your hands on your hips or the back of a stable chair for support. The benefits of this posture are manifold in that it strengthens and stabilizes the legs, the ankles and the feet, strengthening the abdominal muscles and the lower back. It opens and stretches the chest and shoulders, improves focus. Utkatasana is a great pose in which to practice Mula Bandha or root lock, which will create lightness and also tone the pelvic floor muscles and the lower abdomen. To protect your knees, double check that they don't come forwards over the line of the toes. You should still be able to see the toes. If you have discomfort in your shoulders or neck, bring your arms wider apart and or lower. They can be pointing straight out in front of you or down towards the floor. Alternatively, you could bend the elbows and point the fingers upwards, making sure the whole while that your lower belly is drawn back to the spine to protect your lower back, and try not to overarch the lower or the lumbar spine. Thank you for practicing Fierce Pose Utkatasana with me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you and goodbye.